has confirmed that 3 people are dead after Sunday morning's tornado. All 3 of those deaths were in the hamlet of Clark Mills. Deputies say that 50-year-old Shelley Johnson was pronounced dead inside her home on Millstream Court after a tree fell on her house. Deputies also say that 6-year-old twins Emily and Kenny Bison were also pronounced dead inside their home on Hoyland Avenue after another tree fell on their house, trapping their mother, who frantically called 911 to get help for her daughters. A GoFundMe page was set up to help the grieving mother, and that has already exceeded $275,000 worth of donations. As recovery efforts continue